Hi everyone, I'm at Hemsby. This is the video I did about 2 years ago, so you can sort of see the difference from what's happened in the latest sort of high tides. So we're just going to walk down to the beach. Obviously there's been a lot of high tides recently, a lot of erosion. The road which was on the top of the cliffs, which was the access road to a lot of the houses, that's actually collapsed now and has ended up on the beach. So obviously it's not really safe to be going filming at the moment, because obviously a lot of it's very dangerous and unsafe, and I'm sure the residents and the people that live there don't want people filming at the moment. But this is videos from 2021. We're going to go a walk in a moment on the path which you can't actually use anymore. So if we just go around a bit, that path there where the mouse pointer is, that's the path which you used to be able to walk to sort of Newport and Scrapby. That's been closed off for probably a year now, so you can't get down there anymore. And if you just go onto the beach from 2021, I mean, you probably could tell straight away that it looks completely different. Just up to the front here, there's all the rocks and the sea defences now. Obviously, that's not there. Obviously, just here, we've got the sea defences now. And when I just put the camera to the right, you can see straight away that's a lot of that's gone now. You can see straight away how much is actually gone in the last 2 years. It looks completely different. So much has been taken away, and same if you look to the left as well. Just there, that's obviously so much has been taken away in the last couple of years, and obviously the government don't seem to care, don't seem to bother, and they're just letting it happen. It's just disgraceful. All these people's homes, what's already gone into the sea, and there's obviously a lot more homes very close as well. There's the lifeboat station, and just round the corner's the beach cafe. So this is the walk which you used to be able to do, which is obviously that this has been closed off for over a year now, and I would imagine now most of this has gone, and it's not accessible at all. But this is the walk what I did in 2021, which took you to I walked to Newport. I mean, it was the cliffs I mean, it was right on the edge 2 years ago. You'll see in a moment. But as I said, I've not come down because obviously it would be quite dangerous at the moment, and obviously there's a big clear up operation on as well, and obviously I'm sure the residents don't want people filming as well. As you can see, 2 years ago you can see the cliffs, it was right on the edge then, so I don't think this would be there. There you go, right on the edge. We'll carry on down here. I mean, these are all obviously the houses. And as I said, obviously the government don't seem to want to put any money into this to help Hemsby and help save all these houses and communities. As I said, I've not tried to go down here yet. I mean, I probably will have a look at some point and do a video. I'm not sure what's actually left now though, and what you can sort of access and not. But this was the walk I did 2 years ago from Hemsby to Newport. I'll carry on playing the video, and you can see where I actually come out at Newport. This is the little pathway which takes you to a road in a moment, just to show you. So basically you just walk right to the end of this road, and you'll come out at where the amusements are. So I mean, I don't know if you can still do this walk or not. So if you've not been to Newport before, it's obviously right next to Hemsby. And there's lots of shelly parks and caravan parks here. Lots of amusement arcades as well. The amusements here don't open all year round like the ones do in Yarmouth and Hemsby. So these amusements tend to close after the half term and end of October. Everything sort of closes down then. Then everything stays closed till around about April time. It's not an all year round amusement. And we just get to the end. You'll just see, if you're familiar with Newport, you'll know where we are. If to the left is the amusements, what's got the bingo. There you go. And then if you just go down here, that just takes you to the sort of rest of the amusements and sort of like your chip shops and everything else. When I originally filmed this, I can't remember if it was very early in the morning and nothing had opened up yet, or whether it was out of season. I mean, lots of things are still outside and the kids' rides are outside, so I think it probably was just quite early and nothing had actually opened up. As many of you know, when I'm doing my videos, I'm always out early. That's the amusements there. Right, that's about it. Obviously, I'm doing this from an old video on Facebook, so all my pop-ups are appearing now, so it's nearly at the end of the video anyway. So thank you for watching. I will do another video of what I've just done if it's possible to do it at some point, but I'm not